of Paradise Island. Headed to Comfort Suites Paradise Island for a little staycation, vacation. Suites right there. We just checked in and this is our room. The closets, extra linens that they have wrapped in plastic bags. Okay. Lots of mirrors. That's what I need. I definitely need a full-length mirror because Lord knows a lot of hotels don't have them. Mugs, ginger ale, tea, ice bucket, cups, another mirror. And it comes with this couch that I also saw is an extra bed actually. Is that a real picture? I think it is. And this is outside. About to be sunset. You can see people moving back and forth, but I kind of like this view because of the greenery. They actually gave us this cute little welcome package with fresh fruits and plates and wine, snacks, coconut water. What's in here? Oh, a face mask and sanitizers. But these will be definitely getting used tonight. Thank you so much, Comfort Suites. We're here for the next 2 days, 2 nights. I am thinking we are probably gonna try to get some dinner tonight. Tomorrow we will probably check out Atlantis and do maybe Aquaventure or something like that because it is included with your room or with your stay at Comfort Suites, and Atlantis is literally right there. Let me know so far what you guys think of the room tour. What do you think of the resort? I have never been to this resort before, but I've always seen it going back and forth when we go to the beach or if we were doing something over PI when I was younger. We checked in. They asked for proof of negative COVID results or vaccination card. So they are very serious about just making sure everybody's safe to the best of our ability because we are still in a pandemic. Staff here are very nice, but I will show you guys some more coming days. So, morning. We actually have to head down for breakfast. Beautiful day outside. Oh, look at that. Can you believe this is January? We made a reservation for breakfast at 8, but I think you could go anytime. But anyway, we're gonna go right now. Today is a day we go and explore a little bit. But right now we need to go get some food. Walk with us, talk with us. We're ready. So we headed down to breakfast. And you have to wear your mask. This is where we're having breakfast. So pretty. Okay. So we're at breakfast. And it's more like a continental situation mixed with a little bit of tuna and grits, which I got. And I have not had tuna and yellow grits since I've been here. Been here for 10 days so far. This tuna right. Good morning. You know what I love about Bahamians? Everybody say morning. Or if you say morning, they respond back. There's a lot of places you don't get that. You gonna feed a bird? Let me see. At the angle, you feed it? You can't see it? Oh, I see it. Oh, birdies. Okay, we just finished breakfast and I'm getting ready to go down to the pool. I think they do have a swim bar, but I'm not sure what time it opens. But hopefully it's open and we get a little drinky drink. But I'm wearing this swimsuit by Something by Sanji and Monroe Steel. And I love how this fits. Well, now I just gotta get finished and ready. And we will be on our way. Go away. Go away. Go away. It's like it's just waiting. Wildlife. Anyways, we out here laughing at me because I'm scared of bees. But look at this, y'all. Look at this bougainvillea. Wow, isn't this pretty? It's super peaceful out there. I ain't gonna lie. It's hot too, babe. What's the temperature? 79. Feel like this?
That's what he's saying.
Dang, it's hot, babe. The sun in the Bahamas is a different sun in Florida. It feels really hot. Like I want to go wholesale in this pool. You're gonna spend some time and just chill. Maybe get a couple of drinks. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people out here. The bar's open, so we about to have a little drinky drink with our swimmy swim. Oh boy. It's like ice. Sitting down for lunch. We ordered our drinks. We get daiquiris. I think I want to get the conch chowder. I know it's hot outside, but I love soup. We have a good amount of Bahamian dishes here. So we have this Nassau smothered grouper, seafood extravaganza, Bahamian chicken in the bag.
That's it over there.
Our lunch is here. For the appetizers, I'm about to take a bite of this conch chowder. I'm gonna give me a little mini Johnny bread, Johnny cake. Oh, it's super fast. Hot and good. So our main dishes came out, and I got jerk chicken, Cobb salad, if you will, without the eggs. And Chris got the shrimp scampi wrap. So I'm just waiting for the dressing to come out. And yeah, everything has been really good so far. We just changed and freshened up. Now we're going to Atlantis to check out the amenities they have there. The hotel here gives you basically like a little card that you have to sign to go to the Coral Towers or the Day Pass. We're in the aquarium, y'all, or the dig. Check the fish out. I don't know what that is. Dinner. This is what I am wearing. The top is from Shein. Pants are from Boohoo. These was like $6. The shoes are from Boohoo too. And yeah, very simple, cutesy look. There we go. We got some cracked conch, calypso sauce, tartar sauce, and balsamic vinegar. And Chris got, what is this curry?
Curry lobster.
Oh my goodness.
With jasmine rice.
Hey, this looks amazing.
And the coleslaw
Wow.
inside. It's so juicy and seasoned.
Hey y'all, morning. This is our last morning at Comfort Suites, and I just wanted to hop on here and talk to y'all about what we did yesterday. I was so tired just because we decided to cram everything into one day. So we walked around Atlantis for a little bit. I think we went a little too late because as we were walking through, like, the sun was setting. Basically everybody was like packing all their stuff up. We had a really good time just walking around, checking out all the different sites. I saw, like, my favorite part was probably like the lobster part of the aquarium, where it was like crawling all over this like little gate, and some of them were like falling gently to the bottom. We came back to Comfort Suites, but we walked through Marina Village, and you can see like the yachts and the different restaurants. We changed and we got ready to go to Crusoe's restaurant, which is a part of Comfort Suites. You can also get reservations to eat at the restaurant, and the food was amazing, y'all. Like, we were still stuffed from the lunch, but the dinner, it was just something else. Like, I had the seafood extravaganza, and Chris got the curry lobster, and his lobster looked so good. I kind of wanted it for myself, but my food was really good too. For dessert, we got the guava brioche pudding. It's kind of like guava duff, but not really. It had like ice cream on top and the guava brioche underneath with like coconut and something else. It was really good. And after that, we left to come up, and I literally just fell asleep because I was just so tired. If you do plan on taking advantage of the scene Atlantis, go early. But definitely go early in the day, especially if you have kids. I just scheduled myself for a rapid antigen test. That's actually free with the rate that you pay. Somebody from Doctor's Hospital is coming to the hotel to administer tests. That's pretty good that the hotel actually includes that. I'm gonna go down for some breakfast before we leave, and then I'm gonna get tested, and then we're gonna go, and that's about it. I think overall this is definitely a good hotel if you want to come to the Bahamas, but you know, you want a reasonably priced hotel, and you just want to be in the vicinity of a lot of different things. So like, they offer that Atlantis part, but they're also close to the beach, they're close to Marina Village, there's like restaurants across the street. You're just in the middle of everything, and everything is pretty much in walking distance. The thing I would say that would have probably made this a, you know, a staycation, like just staying on the property, is maybe the entertainment element. But if you want entertainment, it's literally right across the street. You know, so I think they're at capacity now, but it doesn't seem like it. Like, it was pretty quiet the entire time. I mean, I might have heard some kids running down the hallway once or twice, but that was about it. I think it's a very affordable option, especially if you come to the Bahamas in peak season. That's another thing, because if you compare and contrast like the rates for different hotels in this one, this is probably one of the more affordable ones. And the room is pretty nice, to be honest. Like, the bed is super comfortable. Like, in here is really clean. I'll put the link in the description box below if you guys want to check out the hotel's website yourself and check out the rates, because as you know, it depends on the season. And let me know if you guys have any questions. We are going to go down to breakfast for the last time, then I'm going to go get tested. But other than that, we're about to leave. I honestly don't want to leave. I think I'm going to cry. All right, see you all later.